Chapter to everyone. And now we are going to discuss about quadratic function. But first, let's discuss solving quadratic equation. Okay, solving by completing the square as ct squared. Okay, right. So let's straight away go to the example by using the flowchart. By using also method 1. Step 1. Okay, look at your equation. The other x squared terms and the x term on the same side of the equation and the constant to on the other. Okay, so for this one, right? So the answer is no. So if no, okay, rewrite your equation. So the positive 5 bring to the right hand side, so we get 3x squared minus, okay, we erase addition, minus, right, minus 8x equals to negative 5. Okay, step 2, determine a, the coefficient of the x squared term. So the coefficient of a is 3. Okay, is it a positive 1? Okay, positive 1, so the answer is no. So if the answer is no, okay, divide. Okay, divide your entire equation by a. So that means we have to divide, okay, all entire equation equals to 3. So that the x squared term equals to x squared minus 8 over 3x equals to negative 5 over 3. And then follow the flow. Step 3, rewrite your equation, add blank space to each other, determine b. So what is the value of b now? Is negative 8 over 3. Okay, next step, add plus minus bracket b over 2 squared to each side. Okay, so this is minus, okay, minus 8 over 3, negative 8 over 3, and then this one also 8 over 3 positive, and then this is negative negative 5 over 3 plus 8 over 3, so that both equation are balanced. Okay, both sides are balanced. Okay, and then we simplify, okay, this one and this one, okay, become 8 over 2, so 4 1, you can simplify like this, become 4, and then you get the new minus 8 over 3x plus bracket negative 4 over 3 squared equals to negative 5 over 3 plus bracket negative 4 over 3 squared. And then what do we do? Step 5, rewrite your quadratic side as this term, where b over 2 is the value inside the bracket. Simplify. Okay, what do we do? Okay, look at the this highlight. Okay, this number and terms you add. So x squared minus 4 over 3, right, and then equals to negative 5 over 3. Okay, so this number is same, so negative 4 negative 4 over 3 after you simplify. Okay, so again this term and this term are same value. Alright, and then simplify. Okay, so we simplify, so what do we get is x, there is no squared, right? You just x again, x minus 4 over 3. So x minus 4 over 3, continue, squared, so equal to you simplify by using calculator, you get 1 over 9. Okay, and then so we write again, okay, this value, okay, write again. Alright, this one copy and paste. Alright, so which is x minus 4 over 3 squared equals to 1 over 9. Okay, so the direction as you square root both sides. Okay, square root both sides, and then square root and both sides. So what do you get is x minus 4 over 3 equals to plus minus 1 over 3. Every time you square root, remember plus minus, right? So this is the final, okay, the final term before solve the for x. So what do we do? Okay, first value is x minus 4 over 3 equals to positive 1 over 3, or x minus 4 over 3 equals to negative 1 over 3. Okay, so we solve, equals to 1 over 3 plus 4 over 3. so equals to 5 over 3 for the x1. Then x for x2 equals to negative 1 over 3 plus 4 over 3, so we get 3 over 3 equals to 1 for x2. Okay, this is how we solve. Okay, we solve the any quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, let's go to method 2. Okay, for method 2, okay, completing the square by using method 2. Okay, for your, if you can see, actually this is function, quadratic function. Okay, that's why we use method 2. Okay, so let's continue discuss the function. Okay, so what do we do? Okay, so equal to look at the value of b. Okay, so if you can see, value of b equals to negative 6. Okay, you divide by 2, so equal to 3. Right, so straight away, right, okay, this is the frame, right, of the completing the square for method 2. So x minus 3. Okay, it must be minus 3. Okay, minus 3, oh sorry, negative 3, so that's why minus 3, and then minus negative 3 squared minus 7. Okay, this is minus 7. This is how we use method 2 and then simplify. So x minus 3 squared minus 9, okay, minus 7, so the answer is x minus 3 squared minus 16. Okay, so actually this is the general form of completing the square. This is the general form of completing the square. Ax minus b squared plus c. Okay, this is the general form of completing the square. Okay, so how do we solve? Okay, how do we solve? If you want to solve, okay, until you get the answer, alright, so let x minus 3 squared minus 16 equals to 0, and then x, okay, brings negative 16 to the right, so x minus 3 squared equals to 16, so x minus 3 equals to plus minus square root 16, which is equals to plus minus 4. Okay, and then what do we get? So x minus 3 and equals to positive 4, or x minus 3 equals to negative 4. So x bring, so equals to 7, and x equals to negative 1. Okay, if you want to solve. But if you completing the square, the function, quadratic function, so this is the form that you will get. Okay, let's look at number 2 again with the coefficient of x squared terms is any constant number. Okay, so what do we do? Step 1, factorize, okay, all the function with 3, so that the x squared terms, the coefficient of x squared term equals to 1. Okay, and then so we get 4 minus 4x plus 10 over 3. And then what do? We do the completing the square in the big bracket, so equals to 3 bracket. Okay, so as you can see, okay, the value of b is negative 4, so divide by 2, so you get negative 2. Okay, so again, so straight away x minus 2 minus bracket negative 2 squared, and then plus 10 over 3. Okay, just like that, and then simplify in the bracket. Okay, so equals to 3 bracket, so this is remain, and then minus 4 plus 10 over 3, and then by using the calculator, okay, x minus 2 squared, so you get negative 4 plus 10 over 3, so you get negative 2 over 3. Okay, so what do? Is you expand again, okay, the constant 3, so you get 3x minus 2 squared minus 3 times 2 over 3, so you cancel. Okay, the final answer is 3x minus 2 squared minus 2. Okay, how about if we want to solve? Okay, if you want to solve, okay, so let, okay, 3x minus 2, okay, this one, okay, minus 2 equals to 0, and then proceed 3x minus squared, okay, minus 2 squared minus 2 equals to equals to 2. Okay, and then x minus 2 squared equals to 2 over 3, and then what do we get? Therefore x minus 2 equals to plus minus square root 2 over 3, and then x minus 2 equals to positive square root or third 2 over 3, and x equals to third 2 over 3 plus 2, and simplify, you will get 6 plus third 6 over 3, by using the calculator, the latest one, right? Or so x minus 2 equals to negative third 2 over 3, and x minus 2 equals to negative third over 3 plus 2. Okay, so ini cancel, so x equals to 6 minus third 6 over 3. Okay, this is how if you want to solve the completing the square or the function. If not, okay, this is right the general form. Okay, how you completing the square, the quadratic equation by using method 2. Okay, so until now, that's all for now. Thank you.